Hi, thanks for coming back and joining me for another video. Today I am doing a review, as you can see, in collaboration. And if you know me, you know that I love wigs, mostly the bad wigs. We put out for friends at parties, and then everyone like picks a wig, puts it on. We have like these full-blown wig parties. It happens more than once. But yeah, wigs are super fun, especially when you don't want to commit to chopping your hair off or dyeing it or damaging it, and you want to mix up your styles and play different characters. There's so much you can do with them. So I decided to do this collaboration with INH Hair because they don't just offer wigs alone, they offer like hair pieces and accessories. And I'll go through the 3 pieces that I got to choose, and I'm gonna review and demo for you in today's video and talk about how to put them on, what they look like before and after, and just like a few info points on each piece, and basically play and have some fun today. Okay, originally I did want to do the unboxing with you, but I honestly couldn't wait any longer. I was too excited, so I just did it myself. In the mail, it comes in a package that looks like this. Inside this beautiful brown package, you have another beautiful little package, but as you can see, it's ripped because I opened it. Inside, you get a beautiful little bag that looks like this. It has a little spot you can hang up on the wall, which is really handy. A nice zipper to keep it contained, and even up here you can like name your wigs if you want to be like Moira Rose. I think that I actually could see myself naming my wigs one day once I get a nice collection, but these wigs already have names. For instance, this is the Brit ponytail. Okay, so the pieces that I got, I'm getting ahead of myself. Inside that bag, your hair piece will come in a little hairnet like so to keep it protected, and you can reuse it. When it comes to wigs, then you'll get 2 wig caps, and then you have this reusable bag to preserve and you put all your wigs back in after, or hair pieces. Okay, now I'm going to show you the 3 pieces that I got. The first one is called the U-clip in 22 inches. I got this color in Reese's pieces. This U-clip looks exactly like the U and kind of follows the shape of your head, and it's supposed to lay flat against it. It comes with 8 snapped clips. And I got one that's 22 inches because my hair is very long already, so this is great for adding thickness. Next, we have a personal favorite of mine. This one has a close spot in my heart. Actually, you know what, they all do because they're all great and I picked them anyway. But this one is called Brit. She's a 26-inch long ponytail. They have tons of ponytails you can choose from. I just love the idea of having like an Ariana Grande ponytail, and I just love the convenience of having one of these. Okay, last but not least, this is Henny. I'm very excited to put this on and play. Yeah, girl, get it, get it. Okay, not too much. Yeah, that Henny bob wig, she's 13 inches long, but I'll tell you about all of it a little bit more. Let's actually try them on now for reals. The first hairpiece that we're gonna put on together is the U-clip, 22 inches. I am going to style this a little bit with very low heat. Even though the hairpiece is heat resistant up to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, it is still made of a synthetic fiber, vegan fiber from Japan, so you want to be very careful with fiber. Normally the hairpiece is already styled perfectly, but to get this to blend with the hair really nicely, especially if it's a little bit lighter, I'm going to kind of mimic it as my hair is kind of already looking. As the curling iron heats up, I'm just going to part my hair now, kind of like we're doing a top knot, like a half top knot. So you want to section your hair where the crown of your head is. So the crown of your head kind of goes directly in line with your chin, the top of your ear, to that high point where you'd want to put your ponytail. It's supposed to be like this perfect spot on your head, like this golden ratio. So you could feel where the crown of your head, like you can feel the top flat part of your head. You want to go just to where that curvature is, and that's where we're going to draw this kind of U shape. Also, you can feel where I'm measuring is where the top bones of my temples are. So you have these 2 bones that run along the side here, and I'm just parting it with my fingers. You can definitely go in with a comb and really make it, oh, that's done heating, really make it like a sharp divider, but we're just gonna try this first one and then see what the alignment is like. So you may have to do this part a couple times to get the fit right, depending on what size your head is. Just to measure, I'm gonna turn around for you. the top of the U-line shape should go right where you parted it. Oh, this is harder than I thought. And you're gonna wrap around to the front. And I think this looks like a really good spot. It's not too far forward where you'll see the clips, and it's right in the middle of the head, which is like the thickest part of the hair. You can either choose to style it once it's in your hair or before, but I'm just gonna style it before we put it in my hair so it's a little bit easier with the integration, and I would recommend that for you too. I don't know how I'm gonna do this on camera, so give me 1 minute. That took way longer than I thought it was gonna take, but it makes sense because it's like a thick amount of hair. So don't judge my curls because I started to get impatient at the end. But I kind of curled it and styled it. Don't judge my curls. These bottom clips want to kind of almost cup the lower half of your head. I might have parted my head too much. Like I might have taken too much hair on top, but let's see. I'm gonna apply it turned around. Here we go. We're gonna start with the 2 center clips so that it doesn't pucker. Try to stretch it out as much as you can so it doesn't gather. Feels good. Too bad. Wow, this actually looks like my own hair already. Okay, now time for integration. Take that hair clip out and style. Oh, I actually don't know if my curls held. Okay, so if you have thinner hair on the top, like I can feel a divide of where the U-clip sits, that is a good time for some teasing. I think I need a mirror in front of me. Okay. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so I'm just probably gonna tease right here at the crown because my hair does like to go flat for some reason. And then just a little more hair to integrate that. You know, that feels and looks quite nice. It feels really secure. Does not feel like it's gonna come out of my head. I'll turn around for you. Actually, I don't know if can you see it there? This is when having a hair friend really helps. Okay, so I feel like I can feel it here a little bit, which is fine. You just gotta part your hair so we can adjust it. Oh, look at that. It could have tightened up a little bit as well. I'm still new to wearing things like this, so I'm not like really used to applying them. But it is very easy and user-friendly. So if you're someone who doesn't do things like this a lot, I think it'd be easy. And there we go. And that's what it looks like after. Whoa! I'll turn around. Can you see? How's it look? Good? Oh my God, imagine. 10 out of 10. This one gets a 10 out of 10. Beautiful. Okay, I think I found my wedding hair. The one thing I want to mention about this specific hair piece is that I don't think this piece would work well if you have like really short, thick, blunt hair because you need that blend to make it look natural. So I think that if you have anything that's above shoulder length, especially if your hair is really thick, then this may not be the specific best piece. But it's great for adding thickness because my hair, I have like a lot of hair, but it's not so thick. So this makes it still look really natural, but like I grew it myself. Okay, next we're gonna do my girl Brit, the 26 extra long inch, the 26 inch extra long ponytail in chocolate brown. Like I said, there are 21 shades in this one, and this one is actually quite different than the Reese's Pieces U-clip that I just put on, but I just love this look, Ariana Grande type slick style, especially with some hoops and a turtleneck or like an open sleeve or anything that exposes the clavicle. Anyway, let's put it on together. Okay, get a brush. And we're going to put our hair in a high ponytail. I was kind of worried about this one because my hair, it's like not that thick. I have a lot of hair, but it's not like extra thick hair. So I was thinking that like this might be kind of heavy on my head. But if you put the ponytail in the right spot and you have the right tools, then it should work out perfectly fine. So you want to get it as slick as possible. These are my ponytails. I have a couple hairs on them from the last time I did this, where we parted for the U clip before. Oh, all right, for the little tiny frizzles, you can, just kidding, don't do that. I have pure shea butter. I tried it and it kind of works. Because usually when I do an oil treatment with coconut oil, it works fine, but I have these little baby hairs. With the right combination of product, pressure, and brush and tool, it can stay down. Okay, so this is my ponytail before. It's pretty, I like it. Especially because my hair has like this wave in it going. I mean like this, obviously, curtain bang. Thinking I would always do it, but I don't. And here we are. Anybody need a Wi-Fi boost? This ponytail extension has a clip right there. And we're going to put that clip right there, basically right in front of that elastic. And this is Velcro, obviously. Obviously, I don't know why I said that, but this is Velcro. So this comb is going to carefully go right into the ponytail. And I'm gonna kind of lift the Velcro perpendicularly. And now I'm gonna wrap the soft side of the Velcro piece around and under so that the rough side doesn't have very far to travel, therefore less chance of catching onto hairs. And now take this piece to wrap underneath and meet where the soft Velcro is. You want to lift up that hair with the other hand so you can help guide that little hair piece through better. And here we have come out on the other side with our ponytail. Looks good, feels good too. You take this little ponytail piece and you cover that Velcro strip up by wrapping it once. And one more time. Oh, jeez. Okay. And the hairpiece came with these two bobby pins that are just perfect. And you're gonna kind of crisscross them with the jagged side underneath, like against the scalp, onto that little hairpiece so you don't see it. There she is. Hello, hi. That didn't take that long, especially if you have like a really greasy hair day and you don't know what to do. Brit, it's there for you. And there's tons of different like ponytail styles. I think I already said that, but imagine just like typing at your computer. What? Really like it. Again, like a 10 out of 10, recommend, especially for those lazy nights and you just like want to look really sexy. Because the slick looks like really sexy and then the big voluminous look you just want to pull off sometimes too. So it's like you get both. The weight is not so bad actually too, I wanted to say. Especially with my own ponytail. I think it's because it's really in the right spot. And again, you can see that it's right in line with the crown of the head, I think. Is it? What? Like, nobody stands a chance. What did you say to me? Do you want to tell me that again? I'm feeling the vibes. Okay, let's take it out. You're going to take out the bobby pin first off, obviously. Now take the hair piece and gently unravel it until you get to the Velcro piece. Unstick it all the way around till you get to that. All we have left is the clip to undo and gently pull away. Look, my hair got so thin at the end that I didn't even need hair elastics. I'm gonna take the two bobby pins that I was so kindly gifted. 1, 2. And the reason why I put my hair in 2 French braids is because I want to add an even texture all the way around my scalp. So I'm going to fold the braid, but I want to try to avoid that bump there. So I kind of just lifted it up to make it as tight as I could. And I'm going to bring it up alongside here. Put the bobby there. Same thing with the other side. I'm going to just fold it flat up alongside here. Oh, I look like an earwig. I'm going to take the wig cap. That looks like a little sock. And you kind of just wiggle it down to your hairline. Now you want to show a little bit of your hair because you need the clips to hold on to something. That looks pretty good to me. And inside there is one clip at the back and two at the top front. It is also adjustable, so if you need to tighten it, you can. If you plan on like whipping your head around and stuff, which I had a dance where I had a wig kind of like this, but way faker looking. Like, this looks real, but like, you know what I mean? Just like a play wig. And I didn't even have any clips, I don't think. Okay, so I'm clipping these right into the front sensitive part of your head as I hold that down and extend it up and around like a swim cap and hook that one hook underneath the middle of your neck, the nape of your neck. Oh my god, you guys. This is really fun. You see how the braids give it more of like a natural head look? You gotta like go like this, you know? Like, this is me focusing, getting shit done. Where's my pen? Are you taking notes? Honestly, I like such an urge to cut my hair to this length, but I just can't commit to it. But now I feel like I can actually, I feel like I can wear this in public and get away with it, and it still looks kind of like my hair color. So let me know what you think below. Let me know which ones you like the best, which ones you're most interested in, and if you want to go check out the site, it's www.inhhair.com, and you can use the code DANIELLE15 to save 15% off on anything on the site. But I'm curious to let you know, to know which one you like the best, so comment below. And if you could leave a little like and hit the subscribe, that would help me out so much with my content and boosting it. So thank you. I appreciate your time and your energy and your attention and for hanging out and playing with me, because this was really fun. And you could just like play different characters. And it's just so fun because like, why not? Yeah, okay. But don't forget to use the code DANIELLE15 to save 15%. Okay, DANIELLE15. Have a great day.